News.
This weekend, the game is dedicated to the Kicking the Stigma campaign. The Irsay family and the Colts, as you know, have been tackling Indiana's mental health crisis since the year 2020. They've given out millions of dollars in grants supporting not-for-profits helping Hoosiers across the state as well as people across the country.
Fox 59's Gabriela Mirando talked with the organization and says now we're seeing how people are continuing to have their lives saved with more awareness and more work.
White walls colored by I miss yous.
It was just a lot of loss for her.
Lives lacking hope.
I started using when I was 12.
Jim Irsay made a promise to combat the often silent struggles of mental health back in 2020 when Kicking the Stigma got its start. His commitment lives on today in the form of action grants, millions of dollars given to more than 65 nonprofits.
The dollars have made a difference for people like Marita Williams and her daughter. 8-year-old Sydney was adopted into the family about 5 years ago.
She had the loss of parents, and we were already dealing with that. And then in January of 2023, my mother-in-law passed away.
That's when they turned to Brooks Place to cope with the losses through grief support groups and therapy services.
One of the greatest things that we can do is to help those children know that they are not alone, that they are loved, and that there are people who will walk alongside them in their grief journey.
About 6 miles away, Heart Rock Recovery Center, a part of Overdose Lifeline, houses women and their children as the moms work to get sober and learn to care for their families.
I want these children to have that opportunity to live in a stable, sober home, and so that it doesn't continue into the next generation.
On the east side, Irvington Counseling Collective served about 700 people last year through their sliding scale therapy services.
What we work to do here and what these grant monies allow are for individuals who otherwise wouldn't have access to care, be able to come and receive that support.
Kicking the Stigma awarded all 3 nonprofits multiple grants to continue their work. The impact of the grants speak for themselves.
I watch moms come in with no hope. And then I watch them working on getting their kids back.
Many of them say that in some cases we've saved their lives.
The support of the Colts continues changing communities across the state.
If more of us were able to do what we can in our little corner of the world to replicate what a huge organization like the NFL and the Colts are, we can only imagine how beautiful this world would be.
Gabriela Mirando, Fox 59 News.